this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using our gel press. This is our DL size that comes in the combo kit. I'm going to be using our Elements inks today. This is Mermaid, and I'm simply going to grab a smoothie and I'm just going to pop some ink down straight onto the gel press. And then I'm just going to fade it up so we've got a little bit more depth down at the bottom here, and then as I go up, just keeping it lighter and lighter. I've got some Brushos here that I've watered down. I've got an olive green here. So just tapping that over the top. And we have moss green. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Prussian blue. As you know, the Brushos are really strong, vibrant colours, so I have put the tiniest amount in the bottom of our palette here and put a lot of water in with it. So they are really watered down. Okay, so I've got some cream multifarious card here. I'm going to pop that down and then just turn the gel press over. I'm going to line that up and just give that a tap. And there we have our lovely background. So I'm just taking a little bit of tissue and dabbing the excess off. Right, I'm going to dry that off now. So I'm going to flick a little bit of water just to take some of the colour out. So the longer you leave the water on the ink, the more it draws that colour to the surface. And then we just get a tissue and then just dab off that ink. And of course you can repeat that process if you want. I'm just going to dry that off again now. I'm going to take one of our stencils now and pop that over the top, and then taking a brush, let's go with the medieval blue. So I'm just going to take a little off first. I don't want it to be too strong. I'd rather build up the colour gradually. And then I'm just going to sweep that over the top. And now I'm going to trim that down. So taking one of our fairies, I'm going to just pop that down, and then I'm going to ink her up in the Nocturne. That's the VersaFine Claire. Make sure she's completely covered, and then I'm going to pop her down in the centre there. Give that a good press. And there she is. So now I can see where I'm going. I'm going to just pop that over again. You don't need to match it up because I'm just putting a few of the flourishes down at the bottom here now. So I'm going to use the same colour, which is the Medieval Blue. And I'm just going to go over the top there. So I'm going to take a smoothie, go back to the Medieval Blue, and I'm just going to just tone that down at the edge. Bringing it all the way down so that it pulls our eye into the centre where the fairy is. I'm going to use one of our words and ink up now in the Twilight. And I'm just going to pop that down at the bottom there. So to finish off, I've got a couple of things. I'm going to use first of all our white pen. And then I'm just going to dot. This is such a nice bright white. So straight across, like so. And then lastly, I'm just going to pop a little bit of glitter down just to finish that off. So I'm using the glue pen now. I'm not going to put too much down. Tap that off. You can see those lovely white dots running through and that lovely magical sparkle. And I just think that gives you a great background using the stencil and the gel press. Well, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration, guys. Thanks so much for watching and joining me today. You take care, and we'll see you real soon.